Good day everyone. Today we're going to change the screen on A20. The phone came to me like this. So I see the connector there, but I put it on charging and it doesn't want to vibrate or anything. Doesn't show anything. I think the screen is disconnected already from there because it came out like that. So we're going to heat up the back cover here with the heat gun or water station and see how it goes, because this doesn't look like that it's gonna open from there. So we'll see, heat it up from here. I did heat up a bit and it doesn't seem to be opening with that difficulty, which means that the LCD has been replaced before as well. But if you're doing it for the first time, then just be careful. This looks plastic, so it shouldn't be that difficult, even though so you can see that it's coming off very easy and the touch sensor is on. I didn't even notice that thing. So just be first disconnect touch sensor. Now there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 screws. So I'm gonna unscrew them. I'm gonna pause here so I consume less time there. Okay, I realized that also the main thing in the beginning that we are supposed to do is to remove the SIM card tray, which I did not. So we'll remove that now. We'll see how it opens. Yeah. So this is not that difficult phone to open. Looks like that, but because it came already repaired, so it wasn't that difficult to open the back cover. Same like those Note phones that has sticky tape around. Not in the middle though here. Oh, it's holding that tight now. So we open it. There is one flexi here. There is one here, which I think, yeah. So this is it. It's not that difficult. Because I think this was replaced before, so it's not that difficult to remove the LCD. Yeah, you can see that this is a generic LCD. There is a warranty seal of someone. So that's it. It's not that difficult if it has been opened before. We're going to clean this now from here so we can apply another glue. But as I said that this one never switched on, so I will have to put another LCD and leave it on charging for a little while to see what is the result. Here I'm gonna pause the video. I did get another LCD and put it on charging, so it's switching on. There is a new LCD. So now we're going to close it. I cleaned it all around because there was glue. See a little bit of more dust. If you don't remove it, then it doesn't stick proper, the glue doesn't stick proper. So if it has been opened and repaired before for the same problem, they should have put some glue. So clean it nicely so the new glue can stick on proper. think I accidentally pressed something, so we remove the battery. I'm gonna go with the glue all around. Can hold it nicely. Going to pause again so the video doesn't get longer. Once you have put the glue, slide in this connector. LCD is very thin, so just be careful when you're pressing it. You don't put too much pressure on it, otherwise they tend to break very quick. There are two tiny holes each side of the flexi, which gives you an idea how it's gonna sit. Connect everything back. Be gentle, as I told you that these LCDs are very thin. While it's switching on, I'm gonna put the screws back so I can close it one time. Still switching on. Connect the charger. Phone is starting. LCD is working perfectly. I'm going to go through all screws and stuff. Once all the screws are back, just put a little bit of glue into the side so the back cover can stick. When you're coming at the bottom here, don't put excessive glue, because next time if you need to open somebody else's opening, they can damage the area. Just make sure your touch sensor is back. Now from the front we see that if it's adjusted proper, if not then adjust it nicely before we put. Align it, actually, that's what to say. So once it is aligned, we are going to put rubbers. I'm gonna pause here and put all around the rubbers. So after putting the rubbers, leave it for about half an hour or so. So it can adjust nicely. It shouldn't have any gaps and stuff. This is how we change a A20 Samsung LCD. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel, share, like, everything. And once it is dried, we're gonna clean it. You can use a soft cloth with the thinners and just go all around, and it will remove the excessive glue, whatever it is there. Thank you very much. Until next time, see you. Goodbye. Have a nice day.